Now I'm going to explain about the Stegosuite tool, that how we can use it to extract the image from the embedded file. But that we need to create a file that is being created by the touch command, and then we need to add the data into it by using echo. Then after that we will use this command to extract to embed the image. Now as we see, the image has been extracted. Now we will open the embedded image. We will write the message. This is a Stegosuite window. And now we will give the password to it. Then press embed. Now you can see the image has been embedded. Now when we open it, with Stegosuite, after just adding the password, we can extract the image. Now we can see the image has been extracted. Thank you.